Did you know that many Americans could miss out on over $100,000 in Social Security benefits? It's one of the most important financial decisions you'll ever make, yet the system can feel incredibly confusing. But it doesn't have to be. The difference between a smart claiming decision and a poor one can mean the difference between a secure retirement and one filled with financial stress. Today we're going to break down the exact steps and strategies you need to know to get every single dollar you're entitled to. We'll cut through the confusion and give you a clear playbook. When we're done, you'll understand how the system really works and have a framework to build a maximised benefit for yourself and your family. To get the biggest check possible, you first have to understand how that check is calculated. If you don't understand the foundation, you can't build the house. And it's simpler than you might think. Your Social Security benefit is based on your average indexed monthly earnings from your 35 highest earning years. The Social Security Administration looks at your entire work history, adjusts your earnings for inflation, and then picks the 35 years you made the most money. They average those earnings into a monthly figure, which is then put into a formula to calculate your primary insurance amount, or PIA. Your PIA is the benefit you get if you file at your full retirement age, or FRA. Think of your FRA as the starting line for 100% of your earned benefit. This age isn't the same for everyone. For those born in 1959, the FRA is 66 and 10 months. For anyone born in 1960 or later, it's 67. Knowing your FRA is critical because every claiming decision is measured against it. You can claim as early as age 62, but your benefit will be permanently reduced. You can also wait past your FRA and your benefit will be permanently increased. So with that foundation laid, let's look at the strategies to boost that number. Strategy 1. Master the 35-year rule. First up, master the 35-year rule. This is one of the most direct ways to boost your benefit. Since the Social Security Administration uses your highest 35 years of earnings, any year you didn't work gets counted as a big, fat zero. Each of those 0 years drags down your lifetime earnings average and shrinks your future Social Security check. A lot of people don't realise this. Maybe you took time off to raise kids, care for a family member, or were unemployed for a stretch. Those gaps can show up as zeros in your earnings record. So what's the fix? For every year you work beyond 35 years, you get to replace a lower earning year, or a zero earning year, with a higher one. This is especially powerful in your late 50s and early 60s, which are often peak earning years. Imagine you have 5 0 years from your 30s. If you decide to work from age 62 to 67, you could replace all 5 of those zeros with 5 years of high earnings. This simple move can significantly raise your benefit for the rest of your life. A great first step is to go to ssa.gov, create an account, and check your earnings record. Make sure it's accurate and see if you have any zero income years you might want to replace. Strategy 2. The power of waiting and the 8% rule. The single biggest factor that determines your monthly payment is when you decide to claim. You can start getting checks at age 62, but it comes with a steep and permanent reduction. If your full retirement age is 67, claiming at 62 results in roughly a 30% cut to your monthly benefit. Now this is where it gets really interesting. For every single year you delay claiming past your full retirement age, the Social Security Administration gives you a guaranteed 8% raise, known as a delayed retirement credit. This isn't a stock market guess, it's a government-backed increase on your lifetime income that continues until you hit age 70. If your full retirement age is 67 and you wait until 70 to claim, you'll lock in a 24% bonus on top of your full benefit. This means your monthly check will be 24% higher for life, and it's adjusted for inflation. That's why someone who waits until 70 can get a check that's over 75% larger than someone who claims at 62. In 2025, the maximum benefit for a person claiming at 62 is projected to be around $2,831 per month. For someone claiming at 70, it's $5,108. That is a monumental difference. Delaying makes the most sense if you're in good health, have a family history of living a long time, and have other income sources, like a 401k or IRA, to live on until age 70. This is often called a bridge strategy, using your savings to build a bridge to a much larger, inflation-protected Social Security benefit that you can't outlive. Strategy 3. The spousal and survivor advantage. For married couples, social security planning moves from a solo sport to a team effort. Coordinating your decisions is one of the most powerful financial tools you have in retirement, focused on two key benefits: spousal and survivor. A spousal benefit allows one person to claim a benefit based on their partner's work record, up to 50% of the higher earning spouse's benefit at their full retirement age. This is a huge help for couples where one spouse earns significantly less, maybe as a stay-at-home parent or in a lower-paying field. If the higher earner's FRA benefit is $3,000 a month, the lower-earning spouse could get up to $1,500, which might be far more than what their own record would provide. This opens the door to a powerful strategy called the 60-70 split. Here's how it works. The lower-earning spouse claims their own benefit early at age 62 to bring some cash flow into the household. This allows the higher-earning spouse to delay claiming their benefit all the way to age 70, maximizing their check with those 8% annual credits. The real power of this move kicks in with the survivor benefit. When one spouse passes away, the survivor gets to keep the larger of the two social security checks, not both. By having the higher earner wait until 70, you're building the biggest possible benefit for your household. This ensures that if the higher earner passes first, the surviving spouse steps into the largest possible income stream for the rest of their life. A vital financial safety net that can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over a long retirement. It's also worth noting that divorced spouses may be able to claim benefits on an ex-spouse's record if the marriage lasted at least 10 years and they haven't remarried. Strategy 4. The tax-smart approach. Maximizing Social Security isn't just about the dollar amount on the check, it's about how much you actually keep after taxes. Many people are shocked to find out that their Social Security benefits can be taxable. Up to 85% of your benefits could be taxed depending on your combined income. The IRS calculates this as your adjusted gross income, plus any non-taxable interest, plus 1/2 of your Social Security benefits. For 2025, if you're a single filer and your combined income is between $25,000 and $34,000, up to 50% of your benefits may be taxable. If it's over $34,000, up to 85% can be taxed. For joint filers, those thresholds are $32,000 and $44,000. This is where planning becomes incredibly important. Your claiming decision directly impacts your taxable income, which in turn affects the taxes you'll pay on withdrawals from the traditional 401ks or IRAs. For instance, delaying Social Security to age 70 could create a tax gap in your 60s where your taxable income is very low. This creates a golden opportunity to move money from a pre-tax traditional IRA over to a post-tax Roth IRA at a much lower tax rate. By doing these Roth conversions and paying the taxes now, you can enjoy tax-free withdrawals later in retirement, when your income might be higher because of your maximized Social Security benefit. Coordinating your benefits with your tax strategy can save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. All right, let's quickly recap the 4 core strategies to maximize your Social Security. First, master the 35-year rule. Work to replace any low or zero income years in your earnings history to boost your average. Second, embrace the power of waiting. Delaying your claim to age 70 is the most effective way to lock in a higher monthly payment for life, thanks to that guaranteed 8% annual increase. Third, if you're married, work as a team. Use strategies like the 60-70 split to maximize your joint income, and most importantly, provide a strong financial safety net for the surviving spouse. And fourth, be tax smart. Plan your claiming decision with an eye on your overall tax picture to keep more of your hard-earned money. Making the right Social Security decision is one of the most impactful things you can do for your financial future. It provides a guaranteed, inflation-protected income stream you can count on for the rest of your life. The goal today was to give you the clarity and confidence to take control of your Social Security, one of the most important income decisions you'll ever make. If this breakdown helped you understand your options and avoid costly mistakes, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives on retirement planning, investing, and building long-term financial security. And before you go, let me know in the comments, what part of Social Security still feels confusing? And what topic should we break down next? Your questions help shape every video we make. Thanks for watching. This is Mindcraft, where ideas become action and action becomes your future.